Listen up, entrepreneurs. The world is changing. Your phone, it's not just for scrolling anymore. It's a powerful tool for making money, and I'm here to show you how. Social media is where it's at in 2024. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. You can build a brand, find your audience, and generate serious income all from your phone. Whether you're passionate about fashion, fitness, or finance, there's a platform for you. The key is understanding how to leverage the right tools and strategies. Get ready to unlock the secrets of social media monetization. It's time to turn your passion into profit. TikTok is the king of short-form video, and it's a goldmine for creators. With its massive user base and addictive algorithm, TikTok can catapult you to viral fame. How do you make money on TikTok? Think outside the box. Partner with brands, utilize TikTok's Creator Fund, or even sell your own products directly through the platform. Remember, authenticity is key on TikTok. Be yourself, have fun, and engage with your followers. The more authentic you are, the more people will connect with you and your content. Instagram is all about aesthetics. High-quality photos and videos are a must if you want to stand out from the crowd. But it's not just about pretty pictures. Instagram offers powerful tools for businesses and creators. Utilize features like Instagram Shopping to sell products directly through your posts. Collaborate with brands on sponsored content. Go live and interact with your followers in real time. Don't forget about Instagram Stories. This ephemeral content is a great way to connect with your followers on a more personal level. Use polls, questions, and quizzes to boost engagement and keep your audience coming back for more. While TikTok and Instagram dominate the short-form video space, YouTube remains the king of long-form content. If you're passionate about a topic and enjoy creating in-depth videos, YouTube is the platform for you. Monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Build a loyal community around your content and watch your channel grow. Consistency is key on YouTube. Upload new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your viewers in the comments section and build relationships with your most loyal fans. Section 5. Twitter, engage and monetize. Twitter is all about conversation. It's a dynamic platform where real-time interactions happen. It's the place to share your thoughts, engage in discussions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Whether you're sharing a quick update, a thought-provoking article, or a funny meme, Twitter is the go-to platform for instant engagement. But did you know you can also monetize your Twitter presence? Yes, your tweets can be more than just words. They can be a source of income. Build a strong following by providing valuable insights, engaging in relevant conversations, and using relevant hashtags. Hashtags are crucial as they help your tweets reach a broader audience, making it easier for people interested in your niche to find you. Once you've established yourself as a thought leader in your niche, you can explore monetization options like sponsored tweets and affiliate marketing. Brands are always looking for influencers who can promote their products authentically. Remember, Twitter moves fast. To stay relevant, you need to be active and engaged. Consistency is key. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged and helps you stay on their radar. Tweet regularly, respond to comments and mentions, and participate in Twitter chats to expand your reach and grow your following. Engaging with your audience not only builds a loyal following, but also increases your chances of being noticed by brands looking for influencers. Utilize Twitter analytics to track your performance. Understanding which tweets resonate with your audience can help you refine your strategy and improve your engagement rates. Additionally, consider using Twitter ads to boost your visibility. Promoted tweets can help you reach a larger audience and attract more followers. As your following grows, you'll find more opportunities to collaborate with brands. Negotiate deals that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Celebrate your milestones and share them with your followers. This not only shows appreciation, but also encourages more engagement and loyalty. Remember, the key to success on Twitter is to be authentic, consistent, and engaging. Keep the conversation going and you'll see your efforts pay off in both engagement and monetization. Section 6. Twitch, streaming for success. Are you a gamer? Do you spend hours immersed in your favorite virtual worlds, battling foes, completing quests, or simply exploring vast landscapes? Do you have a knack for entertaining others? Maybe you have a unique sense of humor, a charismatic personality, or a talent for storytelling that keeps people hooked. If so, Twitch might be the perfect platform for you. Twitch is not just a place to play games. It's a community where gamers from all over the world come together to share their experiences, tips, and tricks. Twitch is a live streaming platform where gamers can connect with their audience in real time. This means you can share your gaming moments as they happen, creating a dynamic and interactive experience for your viewers. Monetize your Twitch streams through subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships. Viewers who enjoy your content can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee, donate money during your streams, or you can partner with brands for sponsorship deals. Build a loyal community of viewers who enjoy watching you play your favorite games and interact with you live. This community can become your biggest supporters, helping you grow your channel and reach new heights. To succeed on Twitch, you need to be engaging and entertaining. This means being yourself, sharing your passion for gaming, and creating content that resonates with your audience. Interact with your viewers, respond to their comments, and create a fun and welcoming atmosphere. The more you engage with your audience, the more they will feel connected to you and your content. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to stick around and support your channel. This support can come in many forms, from subscribing to your channel, donating money, or simply spreading the word about your streams to their friends and followers. Investing in good quality equipment can also make a big difference. A clear microphone, a good camera, and a reliable internet connection can enhance the viewing experience for your audience. Promote your Twitch channel on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract more viewers to your streams. Collaborate with other streamers to cross-promote each other's channels. This can introduce your content to new viewers who might be interested in what you have to offer. Analyze your stream performance regularly. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and be willing to adapt and improve your content based on feedback from your audience. Celebrate milestones with your audience. Whether it's reaching a certain number of followers, subscribers, or simply completing a challenging game, sharing these moments with your viewers can strengthen your community and make your streams more enjoyable. Always thank your audience for their support. A simple thank you can go a long way in showing your appreciation and building a positive relationship with your viewers. Plan your content ahead of time. Having a schedule and sticking to it can help you stay organized and ensure that you always have fresh and exciting content for your viewers. Most importantly, have fun. Streaming should be an enjoyable experience for you and your audience. When you're having fun, it shows, and your viewers will have fun too. No matter which platform you choose, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media site, authenticity and engagement are crucial for social media success. These two elements are the foundation upon which you can build a loyal and interactive audience. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be yourself, share your passions, and let your true personality shine through. Authenticity is not just about being real, it's about being relatable and approachable. Connect with your audience on a genuine level. Share your highs and lows, your successes and failures. This transparency builds trust and makes your followers feel like they are part of your journey. Respond to comments and messages, participate in conversations, and show your followers that you value their input. Engaging with your audience in this way fosters a sense of community and belonging. Show your followers that you're more than just a faceless entity behind a screen. Share behind-the-scenes moments, personal stories, and insights into your daily life. This helps humanize your brand and makes you more relatable. Building a strong community takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight, but the rewards are worth it. A strong community is loyal, supportive, and engaged. It's essential for long-term success. Remember, social media is not just about numbers. It's about building meaningful relationships. These relationships are what will sustain you in the long run. Social media is all about building relationships. The more genuine and authentic these relationships are, the more successful you will be. People follow people, not just content. Focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and fostering a sense of community. Valuable content is not just about what you post, but how it resonates with your audience. Foster a sense of community by encouraging interaction, asking for feedback, and making your followers feel heard and appreciated. This creates a loyal and engaged audience. Do this, and you'll be well on your way to monetizing your social media presence. Authenticity and engagement are not just buzzwords, they are the keys to building a successful and sustainable social media career. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment or expensive software to monetize your social media presence. Your phone is a powerful tool that gives you access to a wealth of resources designed to help you succeed. Utilize free editing apps to create eye-catching content. Take advantage of social media scheduling tools to plan and automate your posts. Explore influencer marketing platforms to connect with brands and secure sponsorship deals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and strategies to find what works best for you. The world of social media is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. The beauty of social media monetization is that it allows you to turn your passions into profit. Whether you're a foodie, a fashionista, or a fitness fanatic, there's an audience out there for you. Identify your niche, create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The more passionate you are about your content, the more likely you are to attract a loyal following. Remember, success on social media doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Stay true to yourself, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams. So there you have it, folks. The world of social media monetization is at your fingertips. No more excuses. No more waiting for the right time. The time is now. Pick a platform, create compelling content, engage with your audience, and watch the opportunities roll in. You have the power to turn your phone into a money-making machine. Get out there, crush it, and build the social media empire you've always dreamed of.